very good.
Yeah, it was very good, right? When people talk about Chicago's diversity, the Bulgarian community rarely gets a mention. But it should. This city's been home to one of the largest Bulgarian populations outside of Bulgaria. More than a century of laborers, refugees, and risk takers making their mark. A tight-knit community that is proud and brings a flavor of its own. So we did what Kimchi and Beans does best. Hit up Mehanata, a Bulgarian spot in Des Plaines that serves more than a meal. It's a portal into a culture that's been simmering just under the radar. We swung by for breakfast, expecting something along the lines of eggs, toast, but what we got was a full Balkan wake-up call. Cozy, family-run energy sets the tone. We decided to sit outside because it was a beautiful sunny day. We took a quick look at the menu, and soon enough, the Bulgarian donuts arrived, with feta and jam for the awesomest sweet-savory combo. So today we're gonna have brunch. We're at Mehanata. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, or Mehanata. We'll figure it out later on. But they do serve kind of like breakfast all day, so it's about 11 o'clock. So we're gonna be brunching.
It's from the bees.
It's from the bees, yeah.
All right, here we go, anybody. Let's get you. What is it called?
Bulgarian donuts. I'm not
Bulgarian
sure.
donuts, okay. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Okay.
There's cheese. I want some cheese.
This is feta cheese.
You're supposed to eat it with honey, I think.
Oh yeah.
You drizzle. I'm gonna assume that this is how you eat it. Maybe. That's the combination.
Yeah, because it's like really intense feta. So that sweet and
With the
salty,
donut?
savory, yeah, it's got to be real good.
Best breakfast ever.
So this bread is, well, the donut is kind of like crispy. And then feta with some honey. That's definitely the way to do it, because like I mentioned, the feta's kind of like intense. So the donut is kind of like neutral, and then you have the sweetness from the honey. Very good mixed together. It's a really pretty dish.
It is. I think every country kind of has a version of this. But this one just looks outstanding. And the bread, I already tried it, is really good. It's soft and crunchy. So I think it has like vegetables, tomatoes, feta, and egg.
Yeah, it smells amazing. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
Try the cheese. He likes salt, so. Okay, you put the whole thing in his mouth.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I was like, it's gonna be too intense for him, but. So it does seem like it's scrambled eggs with tomatoes, but it's really good. Like, all the elements mix very well together. It kind of reminds me of a scrambled egg shakshuka. Mm-hmm. Just reminds me. I'm not saying it's the same thing. Just reminds me of it. But yeah, it's really good.
That was really good.
I got the ground pork sandwich. Well, that was the English translation on the menu. So it just looks to be like ground pork that was put on a piece of bread and kind of like grilled together. To me, it looks fantastic. I'm gonna cut this in half.
This looks like a Spanish tosta.
Yeah, it does. It does actually. And the bread is nice and crispy. And I was informed to use this combination salt. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a little bit. There we go, cheese.
And cheese.
That's real good.
I got the jam.
You got the jam?
Kind of like a sausage. So imagine a sausage that's not in its casing and they just spread it on bread. It's really good. And that herb salt thing, it's really good. I'm gonna put it on some of the tomatoes because it's really good. Yeah, this is great. I mean, I think it's a simple breakfast. Doesn't look like too many ingredients. So just a few ingredients on top of bread. Like,
Done
what could
right.
go wrong? Yeah.
Salt first.
Yeah, try with that herb salt. And it doesn't taste greasy or feel greasy. Welcome to another episode of Car Food Confessional, the Bulgarian edition. So Nico and I just finished having brunch at Mehanata, and it was really good. I really enjoyed it.
It was very good.
Yeah, it was very good, right? Nico enjoyed it. He had the fried donut. And did you like the fried donut, Nico? Yeah, which one did you like more? The one with jelly or the one with honey? All right, so he has a preference for fruit spreads. Fruit spreads! Yeah, Nico, you had feta cheese. Did you like the feta cheese?
Yeah.
You like the feta cheese? I thought he was going to spit it out, to be quite honest, because feta has a specific... It was yummy. I liked it a lot. It was really yummy with honey. You didn't get to try it with honey, but maybe next time.
Really? He likes the jam.
He likes the jam. But everything was great. Definitely go, like, if you're in the Des Plaines area, go check it out. Have brunch. I can definitely recommend the ground pork sandwich and the Mish Mash. Really good stuff. But definitely try it out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
If you're on the hunt for other Chicago food treasures, let us know in the comments down below. Take care, everybody.